Elite athletes. X'inhi d-definition ta' elite athlete?
To be honest, meta tkellimna fuqha kont you sparked a bit of a curiosity u mort infittex daqsxejn the definition, and it is very, 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 very highly contested.
Okay.
Very highly contested. Fil-fatt, meta neġu biex naraw elite athletes, it is ħarġu xi recommendation numru ta' riċerkaturi li we stay away from using the word elite athletes. And to really properly describe the level of athlete in a more detailed manner. Għaliex, għax if you use time, if you train 10 hours a week, 10 hours for ma nafx, for table tennis, ma nafx, to be honest, ma tal table tennis. Imma you train 10 hours for swimming.
Right.
10 hours is a little bit for swimming.
Right.
10 hours for table tennis might be a lot.
Okay.
So time is not a factor. If you outline it based on the league they play in, if you play in Premier League of your country, il-lig jista' jkun Ungeris mhuwiex l-istess livell tal-lig Portugiż. Qed tifhem? Jiġifieri again, there is a bit of an issue. Semi-professional versus professional. That changes depending on country as well. Jiġifieri jekk inti għandek you might be a professional football player in Malta, but what is the level of a professional football player in Malta versus a professional football player in ma nafx, in Uganda, in Italy, in England, tifhem? So the descriptors are very hard to decipher, kind of, and the elite tends to be very much based on your circumstances. Your circumstances, elite athletes in Malta, elite athletes in Italy.
Pero jek ngħidu per esempio elite football player. Tipo nista' ngħid naf nimmaġna li xatt li jilab fil-World Cup.
Mbagħad ġew f'mument fejn kienu qed jgħidu you need to quantify and describe exactly what is the level. The level. So elite, ħanpoġġilek hekk. We will have elite athletes within our circumstance and
our context.
And our context, eżatt.
Mela, tlaqna?